Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
It's not like we recorded this one straight after the last one because we're going to be up early in the morning, so we might not be able to record the other one, but we thought we'd do it now. So again, we are opening advent calendars, our advent calendars on camera for our little Vlogmas, as it were. So today I'm opening the Funko one first. So let's find day 4. Well, I don't need to find all this, so they're pretty easy. Here. Bob had to rip the door off the other one. Thank you, glamorous assistant. We have our little mini. How adorable! And I'll put them in the. I'll put the picture on the screen so you can see them close up. Anyway, but yeah, there we go.
My first one today is the Mario one.
It's really shaking it up doing Mario first.
Doesn't matter, does it? 4. Gears of 4.
Ooh, what you got there?
King Chomp.
Oh. Well, we'll put a picture again on the screen because they're sometimes difficult to see. So today for my second one, I've got the rubber duck again. Rubber duck one. I know this one's a bit random, but we thought it was quite cute. Where's number 4? We found number 4. We have located number 4. Well, it's very similar to the one we got yesterday. I think it's not got the red on it, but yeah, there we go. Little candy cane. Very cute.
Which leaves me with the Disney Game and Advent one.
Yep. Yes, I didn't shut the doors.
So number 4 is over here. We have a little tiny Mickey Mouse.
Main Mouse himself. Oh.
And 2 more puzzle pieces to pick up the game board, which we'll do a close-up photograph of.
As usual.
There we go.
Perfect.
If you want to see any more of this little Vlogmas series, follow along.